Alright guys, welcome to my Humvee addiction. Well, starting on the front end. So, I pre-broke everything loose. So I make sure all the plugs are good. I wasn't going to give you guys that headache. This cover was covered in sand and mud and just whatever, so I don't think it's the hub seal. It looks dry back there, other than where I wire brushed it, and that now looks wet, but down in there it looks dry. So I don't think it's the hub seal. I think it's this, the cover plate, the gear case cover. Anyway, let's see what this oil looks like. I broke all the plugs loose. I did not undo anything yet, as you can see by the pan. So, and I don't think this copper washer is correct. So, let's see if it even has fluid in it. Alright. What do we got? Can't tell. They look like helical gears. I thought they were straight. So, hold on a minute. Get my tools together. Hold on, dead air. Let's see what we got. This already broke loose. It was pretty tight. Let's see what we got. Big nasty goose egg. Or metal filings. What do we got? She ain't too bad. Hopefully this pan has the capacity. I think it takes about a quart. So, oh, where's the view? There we go. She's got some filings on her, but is that normal? Come on, focus. There you go. Is that normal on that? I don't see anything big and chunky. So, anyway, I may take that off and seal it. I don't know. Other than that, that's that hub. And this says 3rd gen. Left front, 3rd gen. Does that have to do with the wheel lock or the hub lock nut? I don't know. Let me know if you guys know. Anyway, talk to you later. Have a good one.